Hello and welcome to another episode of Son of Abish. My name is Abish Matthew. We have an incredible episode lined up for you. But before that, I hope you're enjoying this new version of the show. It's a little different than what we... Anyway, recently, thanks to you, we hit 1 million subscribers. That's a huge milestone. Why are you doing this? Anyway, it's time for us to go on to our live audience, the best part of the show. Okay, come back. Dude, I told you can be on the show if you behave yourself. Why are you doing this? Now don't feel bad. We'll do this together, okay? Get ready to say hi to our live audience. Faster. You guys all look very nice, except for a few people who are wearing home clothes. I don't want to mention, which is 90% of you guys. Subtle Punjabi, I must say, sir, your uniform in Son of Abish has always got to be that t-shirt. Today we are not featuring your parents. I'm so sad. For the people who don't know, it was incredible. We got to meet Subtle Punjabi's parents the other day. He gave us like this lovely shero shairi, which I pretended to understand. Clearly not understanding at all. Uncle! How are you? Uncle! Everybody, come on, make some noise. Uncle, everybody! हमको कुछ सुनाइए और बताइएगा क्या है. हम लोग बच्चे हैं अभी.
दर्द समेट कर जो हंस सकता है.
ये समझ आया. हाँ, बोलिए.
दर्द समेट कर जो हंस सकता है, वो जिंदगी में कुछ भी कर सकता है.
ये मेरे को समझ आ रहा है. ओके. सर 2 लाइन वाले पोएम मुझे पसंद है. मेरा ब्रेन में उतना ही रैम चलता है जब शो चल रहा होता है. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच. नाउ आई वांट यू गाइस टू चेंज योर नेम्स टू, इफ यू हैड अ YouTube चैनल where you weren't allowed to use your name, what would that name be? Honest mistake. I don't want to know what kind of channel that is, but can you put your video on? I'm very scared. What would your channel be about?
What I think is, this is basically like a relationship advice channel which I'm thinking.
Oh damn, okay. Can I ask Saraculus? Yes, Saraculus, what is your channel about?
It's about anything it's about anything that makes you happy. So it could range from traveling or music or anything that makes you happy.
It will be about her lame jokes, actually.
Yeah,
It'll be about a lame joke.
but it ultimately,
Very lame.
yeah, actually, yeah. But
Happiness
actually,
Ka Gola, can you come on video as well?
see,
How do you guys know each other?
we are friends, and she was the one who invited me to your show.
Honest Mistake, can you come on as well? Can you please come on, Honest Mistake? We need to solve this relationship. As you have the relationships channel, can you please tell me how do we fix Happiness Ka Gola and Saraculus? Because Happiness Ka Gola has been throwing hints at Sarah, but Saraculus is not doing anything.
She calls my jokes lame. How the hell do I, take it forward then?
Okay.
This is a matter that we should get into, because if someone is not praising their jokes, means they are not into you. So we should just not go there. So I guess it's a very touchy topic. So
Like Saraculus and Happiness Ka Gola, can I just say that, I hope you guys work your problems out, and I hope you really... Oh, passive aggressive. Happiness Ka Gola, I'm in your team. I get it now. Happiness hasn't said anything and she's just taking it. But like Uncle said, दिल का दुख अंदर रख के जो हंसता है वो अच्छा होता है. Can everyone make some noise for Sarah and for Happiness Ka Gola? Well done, both of you.
And now, for no reason at all,
Hey guys, I want to take a quick moment to thank our sponsor for the day, Public Space. Public Space is a service that gives you access to all its award-winning, professionally designed, very elegant-looking and stunning templates, such as parks, beaches, railway stations, taxis, buses, schools, grounds, markets, roads, and many more. Public Space also has access to 24/7 customer service for all your queries. Hey, can I spit you? No dude, this is Public Space. So, visit publicspace.in right now and use our offer code IPAYTAX to get access to our latest product, Outer Space.
Our amazing guests for today are YouTubers. They are fitness icons. They are pilots. I'm talking about still just 2 people out of that one thing. Say hello to internet's favorite family. It's none other than, everybody make some noise for Gaurav Taneja, Riturati Taneja, the Flying Beast family! Woo!
What's up?
Wow, Ritu and Gaurav, can I just say, I am so underdressed compared to you right now. I'll get a jacket. I feel like this is too embarrassing on my show that I am not. You guys talk. Give me one. I genuinely get a jacket.
Hi everyone. Hello. We are feeling that we are overdressed now. Everyone is like sitting casually, enjoying the show with Abhish.
I actually took 40 minutes to get ready. So look beautiful.
That is amazing. Okay, now I need to know. Does this jacket go well with this that I'm wearing?
No, Abhish, of course not.
No? Okay, cool. You said of course not with so much confidence and I'm scared. Okay. How about this one?
Yeah, this is a lot better.
Now I feel good. I just wanted to tell you that dedicated to you, I wore a shirt that has planes on it. Do you see?
Oh, wow.
That's
Oh,
right.
paper plane.
Now I have a question. आपके सबके घर के बाहर एक वो होता है ना? What do you call a name plate or a plaque? Do people actually ring? Do they ring the bell or do they press the bell icon? Huh? Come on, everybody! Yes! First joke of the season. First joke of season 7. Oh my god, I was so scared. Will this joke pay off? Congratulations, you guys just launched a new gaming channel that broke all records. It's called Raspberry Ke Papa. Raspberry, right? What is the story behind the name? Were there other options? Or did you want search engine optimization?
बहुत ही सिंपल स्टोरी है. एक ऐप आती है What to Expect. So when Ritu was expecting, so we downloaded this app. Someone said it. My sister suggested. So every week it used to show the progress of the baby. Now your baby is of the size of a pea and now it's grown to size of this. I think during 8th week or 9th week, it says now your baby is size of a raspberry. So that she got really emotional. Oh, मेरा बच्चा raspberry की जितना हो गया है. Raspberry की जितना हो गया. तो फिर raspberry.
We started calling our child Raspberry.
हो गया.
So raspberry and raspberry are the same word or what? बस हिंदी में raspberry.
इंग्लिश वाला जो होता है वो raspberry है और हिंदी में. तो नहीं अभी ऐसा क्या है? अगर वो चीज आप 400 रुपए की खरीदोगे तो raspberry है.
Okay.
40 की लोगे तो raspberry है.
But for the people who don't know, they broke all records. I think by the time this episode goes out, it'll already be 1 million. I don't want to flex, okay? But what took you 3 days took me 9 years in comedy. So. Yeah. So do subscribe to their latest channel. It is it's youtube.com/abishmathew. It is their new channel. Subscribe zarur kariyega. Do not forget to press the bell icon. That's what's important. And I reached out to Gaurav saying that, hey, I would love to get your family on for the show. Please send me your manager's number. He sends me Ritu's number. And I'm like, हाँ बट मैनेजर का भी भेज दो ना. I genuinely thought कि हाँ अरे very excited इससे बात करो सॉर्ट कर देंगे.
So manager is right here in white dress. So that's the sheet.
So beautiful.
You're a pilot, okay? You're a mother. You are managing 3 channels. So I have a theory about you. I think inside you somewhere is a singularity, is a black hole. That it is so heavy that the time is bent around it. That I feel the time bends around you like Gargantua in the movie Interstellar. How have you been able to manipulate time this way?
Actually, at least to be very honest, I don't think it's that difficult. I think if you want to do something, you ultimately end up doing it. If you have passion for it, तो हो जाता है. बस कैसे मैनेज होगा ये तो पता नहीं, but we try to divide our work together. So Gaurav mainly content creation करते हैं, and then I try to manage the backend work, especially if I'm at labors and all. तो हो जाता है.
So when she said, Abhish, it's not that difficult, I thought bending time.
Yeah, very good, very good. Gaurav was like, Arre, I did not know you had this side about you also. Very nice. Please keep talking.
She takes care of most of the things, and I don't know how she does it. But she's very. मैंने ये देखा कि she's very good at talking to people and में से वो नहीं होता मेरे को, मतलब I run away from that job. No.
Actually, I think हमारा best part क्या है अभीश की Gaurav is very good at certain things which I'm not good at, and I'm good at other things which he's not good at. So we compensate like that.
And there are certain things which we both are not good at. उसका solution नहीं हो पा रहा बीच में.
उसका solution नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, good. What are the things that you both are not good at? Like, give me an example.
We are not that well organized when it comes to you know, like we are those people who will always forget their keys and wallet. Both of us. So and we are those people who will always get late when we have to leave the house. So both of us.
No, not we.
You.
Okay, I'm gonna go. You guys talk this out.
No, so people who watch my vlogs regularly, they know that I'm always ready. I'm waiting in the car downstairs, and she comes after 15-20 minutes around. Even if I give her a time, today 7 p.m. we have to reach there, so 6 p.m. we leave. So कल बता 24 hours पहले का notice दिया, but वो 6:30 हो ही जाता है.
I believe you, Ritu. I believe you. This Mr. Taneja is doing his own extra time. You don't understand what is 15 minutes for you. For her, because the time bends around her, it's different. So time is warping around her. No?
Actually, पति ना पत्नियों को टाइम नहीं देते सजने का. गर्लफ्रेंड्स को बड़ा टाइम दे देते हैं. 1-1 घंटा तैयार हो गर्लफ्रेंड, that's totally okay. But बीवियां तैयार नहीं हो सकती.
Gaurav, before you started YouTube, you were completely into bodybuilding, and you were so high on your diet plan that it used to bother you for the plans you used to go out for. Right?
Yeah, all the times.
Contest preparation is totally different. If I have to eat 20 almonds a day, I won't eat 21. वो खिसवा नहीं जाएगा शरीर के अंदर. So it is that strict. I used to measure everything out. Like if it is 8 ounces of chicken, 1 cup of rice, and 1 cup of broccoli, तो वो उतना ही रहता है. Plus, if you go out, you will eat something, right? So I used to go out and I used to carry my meals everywhere. तो मतलब कहीं बार पार्टी में भी जा रहे हैं, फ्रेंड्स क्या पार्टी में जा रहे हैं, तो I used to carry my own डब्बा.
Friends, even you know, if we used to go out and party, even जैसे थोड़ा disc वगैरह, then also he used to carry his डब्बा along with him.
Wait, you used to go to a disc, okay, like everyone's dancing and Mr. Gaurav is opening up a badam 1, 2, 18, 19, 20, 21. Nah, bhai, tu nahi jayega, and pack it. Because you guys have worked out so much, I need to show this one image of you, Gaurav, that is across all social media platform. Okay, now let me show that image to you. This is an image that's on all of your social media. Can I ask you, ये आपने MRF टायर्स के जो हैंड्स हैं और आपके यहाँ पर जो मॉन्स्टर ट्रक के जो काफ्स हैं, this entire thing looks like आपने भागना शुरू तो कर दिया. Inertia के लिए 2 किलोमीटर चाहिए होगा. Like I feel like now you will take off, and for you to stop, you need an entire runway. Why did you put, like, your personality being so sweet? This looks like don't mess with me. Like, is this intended to keep people away या फिर sexy लग रहा है?
अभी मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने, like 90% of people when they meet me, once after I know them, when they talk about when we first saw you, it's like, yeah, we were scared to approach you. Like the guy I worked at, he's like, मैंने आपको जिम में देखा था first time when you're working out, your nerves were popping out, पूरा Google Maps डाला हुआ था. I used to think यार
Google Maps हुआ था. What?
So people, I always get this feedback कि मुझे लगता है कि इस बंदे में बहुत attitude है, बात नहीं करेंगे इससे. But then when once they know me and then they tell me हाँ. तो इस पिक्चर की स्टोरी है कि see once you start a channel, अभी तो जब मैंने स्ट्रीमिंग वाला चालू किया तो बहुत प्रिपेयर और प्लान होके किया. Initially when you start a channel, hey, put whatever you want. क्या पता, like you were like, who will watch me?
Yeah.
So, put whatever I want, just start. So ऐसे I just put this picture. उसके बाद I never changed.
This is Ritu. Ritu is a biker. Ritu is a full-on biker. And Gaurav, when you met her for the first time, is that one of the things you liked, or were you like, "Arey"?
Yes. मतलब बाइक पे तो नहीं बैठा इसके पीछे, but when she's driving now, she's full on that. अंदर की जाट वाली आत्मा बाहर आती है. Just साढ़े पीछे चलिए. Beauty बोल रहा है, and she used to really drive well, and I used to find that thing sexy about her. यार, I really मस्त सा गाउन पहना हुआ है, बाल है, मेकअप है. She's looking like top notch. साढ़े तक बताती हूँ.
Oh man, this is so badass. Like Ritu, look at those platforms. What are those platforms? How do you drive? I can't walk. Like, forget most of us. You're riding a bike.
I don't know. Maybe I just wanted to look good also, like while riding.
Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm making fun of you. I didn't mean to, because मुझे लग रहा है अगर if I make too much fun, ये भाग के मेरे पास आ जाएंगे फिर या तो so I meant it.
जितना इस पिक्चर में इनर्शिया है वैसे मैं बॉम्बे तक तो पहुंच ही जाऊंगा.
इसी पिक्चर से निकल जाएंगे. You guys also met someone incredible recently. You met President Obama.
So there were, I think, 4 creators from all over Asia, and they were invited to meet sir.
God, what if you ran at Obama like that? I would like to see. That would be an image. Imagine Obama standing like this, and here you got. That is how you make War 2. The movie poster.
The security was so damn tight, yeah.
When the security around, did they look at you and be like, "Sir, क्या करते हो? Sir, हमको भी बताओ ना, sir. मुझे भी ऐसे करना है, sir."
Because of my fitness channel, Fitmaster TV, most of the guys, जैसे कोई भी बड़ा event है ना, वहाँ पे जो security है, जो company approach भी करती है, तो guys who are at the events और bouncers होते हैं, they watch my channel and they know him because of fitness. अरे सर कैसे आप? अरे मैं क्या अंदर जाना बैक से जाना. अरे जाइए ना सर, आप ही का तो स्टेज है.
ये सच में ये बहुत एडवांटेज होता है.
Guys, this.
एंट्री मिल जाती है.
हमें कहीं पे भी बैक से एंट्री मिल जाती है इंडिया में, बिकॉज जो पीछे जो लोग होते हैं किसी के बॉडी गार्ड्स है, बाउंसर्स है, तो वो अपना फिटनेस जरूर देखते हैं.
वो जरूर जानते हैं.
As you guys are entering the streaming world, I wanted to congratulate you, but also wanted to tell you that I'm kind of like a streaming legend myself. I mean, I don't. It's just that I play this one game on my friend's channel, and I'm very popular for that. I'm a very popular chess player. You know.
I see those genders.
Thank you. I'm just a grandmaster.
एक second.
Oh, all right, Samay. Okay.
Hello.
Hey.
Popular chess player, Abhish. What word I hear?
OP.
अरे गौरव भाई और ऋतु जी कैसे हो आप?
तो बढ़िया सर. आप
मैं भी ठीक हूँ समय.
मेरी आपकी तो मैं अभी क्लास लेता हूँ अभीश भाई. रुको. मैं दिख रहा हूँ क्या?
बिल्कुल. You are in a cockpit.
ऐसा लग रहा हूँ मैं?
बहुत बढ़िया. लेकिन कॉकपिट भाई
उल्टे बैठे.
तू पायलटिंग ऐसे कर रहा है.
यार मैंने बैकग्राउंड ढूंढा, मैंने बोला देखो कपड़े तो उतने नहीं पहने तो बैकग्राउंड ही अच्छा लेके आते हैं हम.
ऑटो पायलट लगा, ऑटो पायलट.
और मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे बेसिकली बीस्ट आर्मी और अभीश मैथ्यू की जो आर्मी है उनके साथ एक चेस का मैच खेलने के लिए. इट्स कॉल्ड हैंड एंड ब्रेन मैच एंड आई नो. तो आप मेरे को ये बताइए, आप दोनों में से किसी को बिल्कुल भी चेस आता है क्या?
हाँ, मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत आता है कि कौन क्या चाल चलता है, मुझे वो आता है.
बस मुझे भी उतना ही आता है, बहुत कम आता है.
परफेक्ट. अभीश को भी उतना ही आता है बाय द वे. दोस्तों, हैंड एंड ब्रेन चेस इज बेसिकली वेयर वी गोइंग टू हैव वन हैंड एंड वन ब्रेन. तो आप जो है जो बीस्ट का परिवार है दे आर गोइंग टू बी आवर ब्रेन एंड हमारे जो अभीश का परिवार है दे आर गोइंग टू बी द हैंड. तो ऋतु जी और मैं टीम रहेंगे और गौरव भाई और अभीश भाई टीम रहेंगे.
बहुत बढ़िया.
ओके,
बढ़िया. किल करेंगे. वो जैकेट एंड ब्लू जैकेट.
ब्लू जैकेट. ओके.
तो मैं थोड़ा सा खेलना आता है या फिर मेरे को तो बिल्कुल नहीं आता यार.
कोई बात नहीं, आप बस भरोसा रखें मेरे पे. मैं आपको बताऊंगा, हम लोग क्रश करेंगे अभीश को.
ये वो पायलट है जो कॉकपिट में उल्टा बैठा कह रहा है भरोसा रखो.
रुको मैं जाता हूँ और ऊपर.
ओके.
तो बेसिकली ऋतु जी और गौरव भाई आप दोनों है हमारे ब्रेन्स. ठीक है, चेस में 2 चीजें लगती है, एक लगता है दिमाग और एक लगता है हाथ हिलाने के लिए. तो हमने दोनों को अलग अलग कर दिया है. तो आप दोनों रहेंगे ब्रेन. तो आप जैसे मैं आपका हैंड हूँ, ठीक है, तो आप मुझे बोलेंगे कि तुम्हें भाई अभी पॉन हिलाना है, प्यादा हिलाना है. तो वो मेरे ऊपर है कि मैं कौन सा प्यादा हिलाऊं और कहाँ तक हिलाऊं. और सिमिलरली गौरव भाई अभीश को बोलेंगे कि अभीश भाई अभी हम हार मान लेते हैं, तो वो हार मान लेंगे. ठीक है.
अच्छा, वैसा हाथ में. ओके.
एक चीज याद रखना कि इन दिस टाइम फ्लाइज वेरी क्विकली. ठीक है, इट्स अ 5 मिनट मैच.
एक तो के लिए देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, शी कैन बेंड टाइम.
Okay, let's do it. Okay,
alright, matches begin. हम लोग है ब्लैक एंड गौरव भाई की टीम है व्हाइट.
Oh, I'm black. I'm white. जल्दी बोलो.
व्हाइट वाला प्यादा.
Okay, good. White वाला प्यादा. Correct. Good job. Only आप you are
नहीं, आप मेरी टीम में हो ऋतु जी, आप मेरी टीम में हो.
हाँ सर मैं वही आप ही को बोल रही थी।
हाँ
अरे
अच्छा प्यादा
कंफ्यूज हो गया भाई, कंफ्यूज हो गया।
हाँ प्यादा
अभीश,
बस प्यादा
राइट राइट।
Yeah, yes. We're right.
ओके ठीक है। अभीश घोड़ा घोड़ा।
ओके प्यादा
प्यादा बहुत
नहीं प्यादा सच है। हाँ
वन मोर घोड़ा।
Okay, सर आपने बोल दिया घोड़ा, आज निकाल दिया हमने घोड़ा सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. I will do a double घोड़ा attack.
घोड़ा
घोड़ा
हाँ
बहुत
घोड़ा
बढ़िया।
प्यादा क्या?
अभीश प्यादा।
Pawn.
छोटू
हमें काट दे इसको काट दे।
नहीं, आप बस बोले, आप बस प्लीज बोले, आप काटेंगे तो
प्यादा हाँ।
प्यादा
काट दे भाई, काट दे. Come on.
घोड़ा।
Yes.
किंग you have to go
किंग
king
अरे किंग आ गया यार. कोई टेंशन नहीं.
हाथी
नहीं
एलिफेंट।
Okay, निकाल दी.
लेकिन अपने रुक जाओ यार, क्वीन फंस सकती है।
घोड़ा ओके.
पॉन अभीश पॉन।
कौन सा पॉन? ओके कूल.
राजा की आएगी बारात, राजा की आएगी.
Okay, cool. I'm just moving. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I froze.
राजा की आएगी
Hey, Samay, you can't cheat. Samay, you cannot cheat. I'm sorry.
This is cheating.
मैं गाना गा रहा हूँ. अच्छा perfect. अरे perfect.
Okay, good. Okay.
ऊंट अभीश ऊंट।
Okay, buddy. ऊंट coming your way. Oh shit, sacrifice हो जाएगा.
घोड़ा
हाँ
घोड़ा नहीं
घोड़ा ओके.
घोड़ा अभीश घोड़ा।
ओके कित मतलब घोड़ा दम बढ़ा के घोड़ा. यस.
कोई नहीं. हाँ
समय हाउ यू फीलिंग समय?
प्यारा बहुत बढ़िया. थैंक यू.
ये कैसे हो गया?
अच्छा प्यादा काट
हाँ प्यादा टेढ़ा काटता है ऐसे करके.
अभीश हाथी।
समय प्यादा
आप हाँ प्यादा
भाई
बीसी भाई.
हाथी.
Okay, good. Time is going, guys. 3 minutes to go. Oh shit.
प्यादा
समय चीटिंग नहीं भाई.
Okay.
भाई हाथी.
हम अभी भी जल्दी खेलेंगे तो टाइम से तो जीत सकते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया.
Okay. Come on.
भाई प्लीज ऋतु जी अभीश को मत जीतने देना. वो जिंदगी
Samay
में
is trying to win
आएगा.
by time. Samay is winning by time. We have to win this. Tell me.
अभीश
गौरव भाई और बताएं अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में. हाउ आर यू?
रानी अभीश
रानी. चलो रानी.
हाँ हाथी हाँ
ओके. और जानवर जो आपको दिखे?
हाँ ये ऊंट है ना.
हाँ वो ऊंट है वो. हाँ
don't cheat. समय देख रहा हूँ तेरे को मैं.
अभीश सिपाही.
ऊंट
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया.
टाइम.
समय ये
हो गया.
गलती
क्या गलती की?
समय जितना ऊंट नहीं करा था.
घोड़ा.
सॉरी. अपन टाइम से जीतेंगे.
No. Come on. जल्दी निकालना है इनको.
See, we are following all the rules. I would like to raise a complaint.
ऊंट बहुत बढ़िया. उनके पास सिर्फ 1.5 मिनट है.
Come on.
उनके आगे बंद कर दो.
घोड़ा.
Easy. I feel like आप तोड़ दोगे डोर को जो भी नीचे है.
चेक लगाए.
हाथी.
अच्छा नहीं किंग यार.
Oh shit. Okay.
घोड़ा. अभीश घोड़ा.
Okay. I'm also figuring किधर जाएगा घोड़ा. मैं भी तो समझू.
जल्दी हाथी. बहुत बढ़िया.
Oh shit. Okay.
Sacrifice. कोई नहीं. ऊंट.
Okay. No problem. आ रही है ऊंट. आगे ऊंट.
ओह ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत बढ़िया. उनके पास 1 ही मिनट है और हम अभी जीतने वाले हैं.
Rani.
Oh, okay, cool. Rani.
Okay, Raja.
Oh, okay.
Raja. Wow. Hey, wow, man.
क्या करे?
भाई हाथी नहीं
55 सेकंड है आपके पास।
हाथी ओके हाथी जल्दी से बोलना ठीक है बिकॉज़ ये
हमारे
समय
पास
टाइम
फायदा ये है कि हमारे पास पीस कम है तो हमें कम सोचना पड़ेगा।
प्यादा।
Whenever confused, प्यादा is the best thing to say.
भाई रानी भाई हाथी
किधर हाथी यस अब तो हो गया ये हम जीत गए ना
जीत गए भाई ये जो रास्ता बनाया हमने
भाई रानी
प्यादा नहीं रुको हाँ यार
गौरव 2 मूव में खत्म हो सकता है
30 सेकंड है
नो अबे मुंह ट्रंक है
अरे शूट मूव करो यार
ये
नो
बोला था
हाथी
भाई हमारी बारी है भाई
मेरी बारी है किसको मूव करें यार घोड़ा
15 seconds is what we have, Gaurav, so we'll have to be very quick, okay?
प्यादा
आप पहले सोच ले प्यादा या घोड़ा
प्यादा
पक्का
हाँ घोड़ा करे घोड़ा
अरे यार डिसाइड कर लो
पक्का क्यों बोला तू डाउट में डाल
जल्दी बोले
सॉरी ऋतु आपका पीछे कोई लाइट ऑफ हुआ है क्या
अभी चीटिंग कर रहा है बोलो
घोड़ा हाँ
ओके Oh no.
Okay. हाथी okay good job Anand
बच गए जल्दी
प्यादा
टाइम कम है
हाथी काटना
सॉरी
बोल भाई
जीत गए उनके पास 1 ही सेकंड है
ऋतु पीछे देखो अभी क्या हुआ है कुछ हुआ है क्या
जल्दी 5 सेकंड है हमारे पास
बोल रहा आप ऊपर
गोल्ड
जीत गए
रानी
हमारे पास टाइम कितना था
0.02 who won by the way
जीता by time out
Can I just mention that either Ritu, Gaurav and I are celebrating and sad, but we don't know who's won. We're like, oh, game khatam. अब कौन जीता? कोई जीता? कौन हारा?
सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो
पर मजा आया कि नहीं ये बताएं आप मजा आना चाहिए
Yes, काफी मजा आया. Very मजा. Once again, everybody make some noise for none other than Samay OP बोलो. Everybody once again give it up for Samay.
Thank you Ritu ji. Awesome partner. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
All right, that was Samay.
Sorry, can we bring Rashi on the show?
Oh yes. I thought she's sleeping. I would love to. Oh yes. I mean, she should have been in the show from the beginning. मुझे लग रहा सो रहे हैं वो लोग. I mean, I thought she was sleeping.
But I think sometimes she finds कि मम्मा कहाँ गई तो.
Everybody say hi to.
Hello.
Say hello everyone. Hello Bia.
भैया बोलो.
Hello.
She's over.
Hi. आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है. फैन कहाँ है?
फैन का है बता दो.
फैन किधर है? You know the day Raspberry, like when you ask a fan kidhar hai and she looks into the camera, that is your closing slate to a movie.
But now she has gotten smart. She's like more a fan.
What all does she say right now? Does she what all does she say?
Repeat everything what we say now.
Oh, perfect. So can you say Abish Bhaiya को सब्सक्राइब करो.
बोलेगी इसके बाद.
I am trying. I am genuinely trying.
पापा गोदी में आओगे?
This is what you mean.
On camera बेइज्जती.
No, I was just like, Gaurav is finally, taking the responsibility. आपने वापस दे दिया. And I was like, मैं समझ गया. Diaper 3 बार change किया.
आप रहने दो, आपसे नहीं होगा.
Hi. By the way, don't worry. This show doesn't get as many views as your parents' vlogs does. So you can say whatever you want. Well, nope, doesn't work. It's never worked before. I don't know why I thought it would work again.
She left.
Understood. That is perfect. That is, I get it. This is perfect end to it. Once again, everybody, please make some noise for Flying Beast and for Riturati. Everybody, yes. Thank you so much, Ritu. Thank you so much, Gaurav. And thank you so much, Raspberry, for walking out of the show. Dosti bani rahe. Dosti bani rahe. Thank you. So did I.
Bye.
He said bye. That's all. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
What she was waiting for.
Yeah. This is it. This is my GIF. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Thank you, Abhi. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Everyone. Bye.
Bye.
5-star Do Nothing Award.
And the Do Nothing Award goes to none other than my sneakers. I used to call them sport shoes, but nothing I've done in these shoes can be considered sports. Also, not a huge sneakerhead, but I love showing off this one fancy pair of shoes that I own. But for the last couple of months, it's been pretty much doing nothing. No walks, no running, unless it's from my emotions. But then I thought about it. Them doing nothing is a great thing. Because if I was wearing these babies on a regular basis, all the subtle pink, blue and grey would have become brown. But look at them now. They're fresh and so clean. It's vintage. And so thank you so much, Sneaker, for doing absolutely nothing so that we can be friends for slightly longer. And for that, I give you 2 5 stars. One for each. I don't want them to fight.
5-star Do Nothing Award. And now, for no reason at all.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment what you think, share this with your friends, subscribe to this channel, eat your lunch, solve for X, perform a play, wrestle a bear, finish your doctorate, call your parents, uninstall the YouTube app, donate your kidney, follow me on Instagram, donate your other kidney, tell me what you want, what you really want, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I'm dead inside.
मेरे दिल की चौखट से तुझे देखूं मैं, झिलमिलाती छाया है तू इस दिल में, छिपे हर कोने से हमें देखूं मैं, हर सवेरे का सपना है तू, मेरा दिन ना कटे तुझसे बोले बिना, मेरी जान रुक सी जाए तुझे देखे बिना, मेरे दिल के ये सपने समझो ना। मेरी हर किताब यही चाहूं मैं तेरे साथ ही बैठा रहूं मेरा दिन कटे तुझसे बोले बिना मेरी जान रुक सी जाए तुझे देखे बिना मेरे दिल के ये सपने समझो
That was Siddharth Gupta with this track, Samjhona on Son of a Beach Picks. Do check out his music. Also, if you followed this season so far, you know our Goodwill partners Feeding From Far, who are doing some incredible work feeding people in Govandi, especially at this time of crisis. Now, ever since we dropped our first episode, you have raised over 5 lakh rupees. That's going into feeding 700 families. So really, good job. But allow me to be a little ambitious here. Do you think by the next episode we can raise that number from 700 to 1,000 families? So the math is very simple. 5 lakhs for 700 families. So that means for 300. I got this. Basically what I'm trying to say is, by the next episode, can we feed 1,000 families? If you want to donate, the link is going to be in the... Nice. And with that, it brings us to the end of the show. Thank you so much for watching. Special shout out to Gaurav and to Ritu and for Samay for turning my show into a stream. What are you doing? This is a credit roll. Just come on from the other side. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because that's... Hey! Intention. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because that's... Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for the 1 million subscribers. We made it. Finally. Alright, that brings us to the end of the show. You guys can go now. Final notes. I really